Welcome to this presentation of Organic Lifestyle Resolutions for Optimal Wellness. Many people have chosen to live an organic lifestyle, and this can really be a positive change in your life too. While some may feel that this can be costly and difficult, it does not necessarily have to be a big, expensive production. Rather, it can be a healthy and cost-effective change you make for your and your family's health and wellness. Living an organic lifestyle means you are living in a way that is good for you and the environment. This lifestyle is one that encourages you to live thoughtfully and responsibly about how you treat your body, as well as the world around you. Perhaps you've always wanted to live organically, but weren't sure where to start. Fortunately, there are a few simple lifestyle changes and resolutions you can make today to begin an organic lifestyle. First, switch to organic, whole foods, as this is the easiest change to make, as more and more supermarkets are selling organic produce and meats to meet the demand from customers. Organic food is defined as food grown without the use of pesticides, chemicals, hormones, or other unnatural substances. Not only can these chemicals be harmful to your body, they are also harmful to the earth. While organic farming supports healthier soil, water, and reduced fossil fuel load. When you opt to eat organic food or even grow your own, you're helping to fight against the use of chemicals and harmful toxins. You can grow your own organic produce garden at home. Start small and build up as you get more accustomed to growing your own food. This is also a less expensive option than buying organic produce. Choose organic personal hygiene products instead of commercial products that are made with chemicals that may be harmful to your health and are not studied for effects of long-term exposure. Body washes, soaps, creams, lotions, makeup, shampoos, and more are all manufactured using chemicals and additives that are absorbed into your skin. Purchase natural organic products made with essential oils and natural oils such as olive, coconut, lavender, and jojoba. You can even make your own, everything from perfume and makeup to lotions and hair care products. Lots of recipes and tutorials are available online. Purchase or make your own organic cleaning products. Some of the biggest culprits of harsh chemicals and toxins are cleaning products. Your toilet and tub cleaners are usually teeming with harsh chemicals that can be harmful to your skin and possibly to your health. Ever felt dizzy or nauseous after exposure? The best natural cleaners are salt, vinegar, baking soda, and borax. And they can be used on just about every inch of your home, from the bathroom to the kitchen and on every stain in between. One of the best ways to go organic is to do it yourself. From organic gardens to DIY cleaning and personal hygiene products, you gain the advantage of always knowing exactly what's in your goods. Get started today.